I had to try the viral Wish Care hair serum. Like, it was finally the time. I think for summers we all really need a white kajal. अगर आपका भी oily scalp है, this is going to be your best friend. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है, it's everything that I've been loving in the month of April, beauty and skincare edition. It's basically like a monthly favorites that I do every month, and I know you guys love my monthly favorites. I thought let me do something for April also. In fact, मैंने last 3 months से हर महीने monthly favorites करे हैं. So I thought I need to share all the beauty and skincare products I have been using and loving this one, because I think as a creator we get acquainted with a lot of products. कोई भी new चीज़ आई है तो मैं पहले try करनी होती है. So yeah, we have a lot of skincare and beauty finds for you all today. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before I get into the video, let me tell you कि जितने भी products मैं आज आपको दिखा रही हूँ सब कुछ Amazon से है. Amazon पे कुछ offers भी चल रहे हैं. मैं सब कुछ description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में भी pin कर दूंगी. So वो ज़रूर से check कर लेना. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. हर बार मैं पहले स्किन केयर से चालू करती हूँ. So I thought this time let me start with like makeup first. Now I have few makeup items. Let me just show you what I got. सबसे पहले तो मैंने 2 काजल खरीदे हैं. Now if you see, I'm wearing like a white kajal at the moment because I am been loving kajals recently. So मैंने 2 काजल खरीदे, दोनों Maybelline के हैं. One is this one, which is the Maybelline New York, the classic black kajal. And the other one is this white tattoo studio kajal. Now I love Maybelline kajals. No matter how many kajals I try, I think this is the OG kajal that everyone loves. So I'm already wearing the white one, if you can see, and I think it really looks nice on my waterline. Now I also got the black one because I think this is just classic, everyone loves it. So yeah, I got the black one, very pigmented, if you see, like halki si line, and just shows up really well. And the same one applies for white as well. See, so pigmented, I love it. Next up, I got my favorite concealer. So I'm a Maybelline concealer girly, and for summers I just use 2 products for my base, that is concealer and a compact. So I've used this one right now. It gives basic decent coverage and it's like very buildable. So I keep going back to this one concealer and this one by Maybelline, the Fit Me range. It's just perfect. I'm the shade 20 Sans. If you're my skin type, you can probably go for this same shade, and I love how it looks on my skin. So yeah, even today's makeup is done with this. Then one more makeup item that I got is the compact, जो मेरे आपको हर haul में दिख जाएगा because I love it so much. So this is a Fit Me compact by Maybelline in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. You can see, like, I have recently started using it and I love it. Like, there is no other compact that I would rather use than this one, and it's just great to like set your makeup. It really sets makeup so well. So I love absolutely using this, and there is nothing that I'll switch it for. So this one remains like a monthly favorite. Yeah, this one remains like a lifetime favorite. So I love using this compact, and that's the next item I got. I have this moisturizer, which is Vinashia. Now this is great for people who have sensitive skin, overly dry skin. I don't have overly dry skin, but I do have a very sensitive skin, and I also have eczema on my legs. So that means कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं लगा सकती, especially like fragmented items. So if you have any skin issue, trust me, this is one moisturizer that will solve it for you. Now इसका जो texture है, it's like very smooth. You can just apply it. You can even apply it on your face. I don't prefer applying it on my face because I already have a face moisturizer. But for body, I don't think so. I found like a better moisturizer than this. I have tried so many Bath and Body Works products. I have tried Vaseline, everything. They are great. But if you have sensitive or any skin concerns or issues, there is nothing that this one product can solve. So this one by Vinashia remains a favorite for a reason. And I keep going back to this one. This is by Dr. Reddy and it's intensely moisturizing. Like, if you need a good moisturizer, you guys need to try this one out. Restocked on the shampoo जो मैंने last monthly favorites में दिखाया था. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure Purifying Shampoo, which is a new launch by L'Oreal. Now ये last month launch हुआ है. मैंने last month खरीदा इसका छोटा variant to try it, and I was so impressed that I ended up buying पूरा बड़ा bottle because मेरा जो scalp है अभी भी थोड़ा oily हो रखा है. My scalp is like really oily and my hair are dry. So the moment I have like thoda bhi build up, I think this really helps to clarify my scalp really well. And if you're someone like me who suffers from like oily scalp, trust me, this is going to be your best friend. Like, you'll keep on going back and repurchasing this one. So this is the next item that I got. I absolutely love this one. Okay, next I got a body wash. So this is the Chemist at Play body wash. It's an exfoliating body wash. इनके मैंने चारों वेरिएंट्स ट्राई कर लिए हैं जो भी बॉडी वॉश में आते हैं, द येलो वन, द ब्लू वन, द ऑरेंज वन, एंड एक और आता है, बट दिस वन रिमेन्स लाइक अ क्लासिक. सो इफ यू हैव डेड स्किन, इफ यू हैव बॉडी एक्ने, ये हर चीज के साथ डील करने के लिए इतना अच्छा बॉडी वॉश है ना. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड दिस समर. आई फील समर्स में बॉडी एक्ने थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है लोगों के, थोड़ा पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा हो गया, तो उसके साथ भी यू नीड समथिंग हाइड्रेटिंग, समथिंग क्लेंजिंग, जो कि अच्छी से एक्सफोलिएट करे स्किन को, क्लैरिफाई रखे. देन दिस इज द बॉडी वॉश दैट यू नीड. It also says that it has lactic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin E, so like all things good. So I love using this one, and this is something that I got lately. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul, I got this Wishcare का hair growth concentrate serum. I really want to try this out. I think ये इतना वायरल हो चुका है प्रोडक्ट that at this point a lot of you guys might have already tried it, but I haven't tried it, so I knew that I have to try this. सच बोलूंगी, मैंने इसको अभी तक 4 बार लगाया है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं देख सकती हूँ 4 बार में. आई डू वांट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ हेयर ग्रोथ ऑन दिस पार्ट, सो मैं इसको लगाती हूँ. बट वाई आई इंक्लूडेड इन दिस हॉल, क्योंकि डिफरेंस तो अभी मिला नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे पसंद बहुत है ये लगाना. सो मेरा क्योंकि ऑयली स्कैल्प ऑलरेडी है, मैं ऑयल्स बहुत रेयर लगाती हूँ. दिस इज अ सीरम, सो यू जस्ट हैव टू स्प्रे इट, मसाज इट अ लिटिल बिट, एंड दैट्स इट. नेक्स्ट दिन आपके बाल ऑयली भी नहीं होंगे, एंड इफ इट रियली प्रमोट्स हेयर ग्रोथ, मैं अपडेटेड रखूंगी आप लोगों को उसके बारे में. बट आई हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर सीरम्स, रोजमेरी हेयर सीरम, दिस हेयर सीरम, वो हेयर सीरम, but nothing works like consistency wise as good as this one. So I really love this one as a serum, and I just thought ki hair serum play for like hair growth, it's actually really nice. मुझे although थोड़े से baby hair तो दिखे हैं, but अभी मैं इसको judge नहीं करूँगी because it's been like only 2 weeks that I've been using it. वो भी मैं alternate day लगाती हूँ, थोड़ा lazy हो जाती हूँ. So yeah, that's the next product I wanted to show you guys. These are all the products that I've been loving in the month of April in terms of beauty and skincare. You comment on below if you've tried something, and जितने भी products हैं सब Amazon से हैं, description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में भी pin कर दूंगी. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's haul. I hope you guys liked it. अच्छा लगा तो follow कर लेना, मैं जब भी video आएगा आपको पता चल जाएगा. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.